Hello dear friends, in this video we are going to calculate the quantity of materials like cement, sand and coarse aggregate required for slab. So watch the video full and do not forget to like this video. Let's start today's discussion. To find the quantity of materials for a slab, we have taken an example of a slab having dimension. The length of the slab is 25 feet, its width is 10 feet and the thickness of the slab is 6 inches. The dimensions can also be seen in these drawings. In top view you can see the length and width of the slab, and in this cross-sectional view you can see the length and thickness of the slab. Here the concrete used is 1:2:4. Here 1 represents cement, this 2 represent fine aggregate or sand, and this 4 represent coarse aggregate or crushed stone. Now to determine the quantities of material required for this slab, the first thing we need to do is to find the volume of wet concrete. The volume of wet concrete is equal to the length multiplied by width multiplied by thickness or height of the slab. Here we will just put the values of length, width and height. We will get volume of wet concrete. 25 feet is the length of the slab, 10 feet is the width of the slab and 0.5 feet or 6 inches is the thickness of the slab. We have converted the inches into feet to make the units consistent. After simple calculation we will get volume of wet concrete is 125 cubic feet. This is the wet volume of concrete. For quantity estimation of material we need dry volume. Dry volume is more than that of the wet volume. So to find volume of dry concrete we just need to multiply this wet volume by a factor 1.54. So putting here the value of wet volume, we will get dry volume is 125 feet cube, which is wet volume of the concrete multiplied by 1.54. After simple calculation we will get dry volume of concrete is 192.5 cubic feet. Now this is the dry volume of material required for this slab. Now we have to find the quantity of cement, sand and coarse aggregate in this dry volume. For this purpose we need to know about the ratio of concrete. As discussed earlier that here the ratio used is 1:2:4. Now to find the quantities of different materials of concrete, the first thing you need to do is find the sum of ratio. So first we will calculate sum of ratios. Sum of ratios can be found by just adding these three. 1 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 7. Now we can calculate volume of a specific material by using this formula, that is volume of a material is equal to ratio of material. Here for cement the ratio is 1, for sand it is 2, for coarse aggregate it is 4, multiplied by total volume of concrete. The total volume of concrete in this case is 192.5 cubic feet, divided by sum of ratio which we have calculated and its value is 7. Now first we will find the quantity of cement. Dry volume of concrete is 192.5 cubic feet and sum of ratio is 7. Now to find the quantity of cement we will use the previous equation discussed, which is volume of a material is equal to its ratio multiplied by total volume and divided by sum of ratio. The content of cement in the ratio given was 1, while the total volume is 192.5 divided by sum of ratio. After simple calculation we will get volume of cement is 27.5 cubic feet. Generally the cement is obtained in bags, so here we need to find the number of bags. We know that volume of one cement bag is equal to 1.25 cubic feet. If you want to know details about how this volume of one cement bag is equal to 1.25 cubic feet, you can watch my video by clicking this icon. So we know that volume of one cement bag is equal to 1.25 cubic feet. So to find the number of bags, just divide this total volume by volume of one cement bag. So we will get number of bags of cement is equal to 27.5, which is the total volume of cement, divided by 1.25, which is the volume of one cement bag. We will get the number of bags of cement is 22 bags. Now we will find the volume of fine aggregate or sand. We will use the same method used for calculation of cement quantity, but we will just change the content of cement, which was 1, and here the sand ratio is 2. Here this 2 represent the content of sand in the ratio, multiplied by 192.5, which is the total volume, divided by sum of ratio, which is 7. So after simple calculation, we will get volume of sand is 55 cubic feet. Now we will find volume of coarse aggregate by using the same method. Volume of coarse aggregate is equal to 4, which is the ratio of coarse aggregate, multiplied by 192.5 total volume, divided by sum of ratio, which is 7. After doing simple calculation, we will get volume of coarse aggregate is 110 cubic feet. You can see that we have determined the quantities of material required for this slab. The quantity of cement required is 22 bags, sand 55 cubic feet, and coarse aggregate 110 cubic feet. It was all for today. Thank you very much for watching the video full.